Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, back again today with another 4 trades. Today's date is April the 5th and I'm using my new Super Sniper trading system. This system uses moving averages on the top and oscillators down at the bottom. And about 4 months after I did the videos on this, I got my hands on the super signal indicator, so now I put that in. It's in the system, which makes it automatically a much better trading system. Now you can add this super signal indicator to any system that you may have, and it'll automatically make it a much better trading system. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. And it's also great for traders who love to scalp the market on the 5-minute time frame. So every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I dropped it down to the 5 minutes, especially on this DAX 30, so I can try to get a correct reading on the number of ticks. So I'm checking through all the different instruments here, making a decision whether I should be buying and or selling. I also take a look at my daily trade plan, Expert Advisor. This is it running in real time. You can put it on any time frame you want. Had a trader asking me that, what time frame do you put it on? Doesn't make any difference. I just pull up a chart and then apply the template that I give you. Now I give you one for larger monitors, one for smaller monitors like a laptop, and of course I give you another template just for the futures and the indices, like from crude oil down. And you can put whatever you want to trade in here. There's a video that shows you step-by-step instructions on exactly how to do that. So this morning, I took the trades directly from the daily trade plan. If you are not finding success at trading, well, this is one very good reason why you are failing, because you don't even have any kind of a daily trade plan. I'm usually on the 15 minutes, at least 95% of the time, whereas the daily trade plan will tell me what the higher time frames are doing. So let's see, on the first trade rate here was the crude oil, wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow directly from the daily trade plan, and of course did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. Took the trade at this cursor. Now on crude oil it pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, this should be 31. And there it is right there, 31 ticks times the money, and that's why you see it paying out $310. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the euro yen. Wanted to be selling it. Lots of red arrows on the top of the goal line here. Everything was pointing down. So let's see where I got in at first of all. Saw it a little bit on the late side, but I knew that once it broke the area of support here, I knew it was going to give me some pips. Took the trade here and I closed it out just being happy with about 41 pips. Looks like those 41 pips times the money ended up paying out $320. And as you can see on the meter here, it's also saying it's a good pair to be trading, as the yen is at the top and the euro is near the bottom. So, moving right along to the next trade, which is the pound yen. Another one did exactly the same thing. When I saw the euro yen going down, well, I knew that the pound yen was going to be going down based on the yen, which is a bus driver. Remember, if it's 80% or more, it's a bus driver, and if it's 20% or less, it's also a bus driver. And of course, if you have two good bus drivers, many days you'll get more, or like over 100 pips. And as you can see, this number here, 141, that's 141 pips within this blue box. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out being happy, looks like with about 45 pips. And those 45 pips ended up paying out $343. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, the DAX 30. Dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can get some kind of a more accurate reading. You're going to include every digit. Should have got out over here. But by the time I saw it, it did this cycle back up and then continued going down, another cycle up, another cycle down. Now I took the money and divided it by $3.75, and it calculator says it should be 295. So let's see, 295. $295, let's see now. Oh, that's as close as I'm going to be able to get, $296. But the calculator says it's 295 ticks times the money, and that's paid out $1,106. So another great day of trading using my Super Sniper. I just added up all the pips and ticks. I knew it was going to be over 200. The DAX alone was 295. But anyhow, grand total came to 412 pips and ticks. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,080. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis like my Super Sniper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions whatsoever, all you got to do is get in contact with me. And if you look right below this video, there's a button that says Show More. Click on that. You'll get my contact information. You can pick up the phone and call me directly, or you can send me an email if you live too far. Now, I really do prefer Skype, and through Skype screen sharing, we can talk live, whereas I can answer your questions. And you'll also find in the description below 4 different packages. I recommend you getting all 4. Each package costs $250. Now, the one that is very important, I decided to put together how I trade live, advanced trading tips. So I put all the pieces of the puzzle together, which it really should help you to find success at trading. I do have a running special that if you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video and trading day, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.